Animal intelligence is hard to pin down because intelligence takes different forms. Language understanding, self-awareness, cooperation, benevolence, problem-solving, and mathematical aptitude are a few examples of different forms of intelligence. While intelligence in other primates is obvious, many other species may be smarter than you realize. Hello everyone. Welcome to Z. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. The 10 smartest animals. 10. Raccoons. The Crow in the picture by Aesop could have been about a raccoon. Raccoons were given a pitcher of water that was filled with stones and marshmallows by researchers from the University of Wyoming and the USDA National Wildlife Center. The raccoons had to raise the water level to get to the marshmallows. Pebbles were used by half of the raccoons to obtain the food. Another just managed to topple the pitcher. Raccoons have a reputation for being expert lockpickers and have a 3-year memory span. Dogs. The intelligent dog is able to communicate with people. Dogs exhibit empathy, comprehend symbolic language, and understand emotions. Expert on canine intelligence Stanley Coren estimates that 165 human words are understood by the ordinary dog. They can, however, learn a lot more. Chaser, a border collie, showed that he could comprehend 1022 words. Parrots. A human child is said to be as intelligent as a parrot. These birds can solve puzzles and comprehend the relationship between causes and effects. The African gray, a parrot renowned for its incredible memory and counting skills, is the Einstein of the parrot world. An astounding amount of human words can be learned by African gray parrots, who can then utilize them in conversation to interact with humans. Seven. Octopuses. Some invertebrates are very intelligent, despite the fact that we are most familiar with intelligence in other vertebrates. The octopus has the biggest brain of any creature, but its arms actually contain 3/5 of its neurons. The only creature that used tools is the octopus. The bright overhead lights of his aquarium were reported to be shorted out by an octopus by the name of Otto, who was known to toss rocks and splash water at them. 6. Pigs. Pigs can navigate mazes, recognize and express emotions, and comprehend symbolic language. Piglets develop their understanding of reflection earlier than humans do. Piglets as young as 6 weeks old are able to locate food when they see it in a mirror. Human babies, on the other hand, take several months to comprehend reflection. Pigs are capable of leveraging their understanding of abstract symbols to use a joystick to play video games. Five, dolphins. Whales and dolphins are at least as intelligent as avians and primates. Whales and dolphins are mammals, just like primates. A dolphin's brain is substantial compared to its size. Human brains have extremely complex cortices, but dolphin brains have even more folds. The only marine animals to pass the mirror test of self-awareness are dolphins and their relatives. Four, gorillas. Gorillas are primates, just like chimpanzees and humans. The gorilla known as Coco rose to fame for taking care of a pet cat and mastering sign language. Gorillas can create their own words to communicate with humans and are able to comprehend how symbols are used to convey both simple and more complicated ideas. Three, elephants. Of all land animals, elephants have the greatest brains. An elephant's cortex contains as many neurons as a human brain does. Elephants are highly cooperative, have excellent memories, and show self-awareness. They play like primates and birds do. Two, chimpanzees. Given that chimpanzees are the closest living cousins of humans, it is not unexpected that they exhibit intelligence on par with that of people. Chimps create tools like spears, show a wide spectrum of emotions, and even recognize themselves in a mirror. Chimpanzees can pick up human sign language and converse with us. One, crows and ravens. The corvid family of birds as a whole highly intelligent. Magpies, jays, ravens, and crows are among the group. The only vertebrates other than primates to create their own tools are these birds. Crows are able to convey complicated ideas with other crows, identify human faces, and anticipate the future. Crow IQ is frequently compared to that of a 7-year-old human child. That's for now. We appreciate you for being here. View more our channel videos.